Alright, who's coming back? Coming to look at a Camaro. Really I came to get this license, or not the fucking license plate fucking thing, the radiator fucking thing. Radiator top plate, 'cause, you know, the video I snapped mine like right here, but this is the V6 one. The V6 ones are too small, so if you see these V6s, I wouldn't even grab them. At least if you're doing a 5.3 swap. And especially off these fucking, I think it's only 2.8s. Really making this video because I see this interior right here. And I ain't never seen no interior like this, but I figured it's gotta be something special about it. I called my buddy up, the one I sold the motor to. He asked me if I can go ahead and Camaro had a 350 in it, so we swapped it out back for a 700 R4, and the shifter cable was too short, so he asked me if I can grab this shifter cable. And you can see somebody already took the shifter. Here's the cable right here, and so I'm gonna get ready to get underneath here, start grabbing this cable out. This car's pretty nice though. Got all these wheels on it. Somebody busted out the back window. License plate bracket's gone. This kind of sucks. This is another thing I wanted to come for, just to have. But it ain't no big deal. I got like 3 of them at the house already. And here we go, an 85 Camaro. 2221. Sad to see this car so clean sitting out here. But this is what it is. I think it's the same year my buddy. I think he has an 85 as well. But yeah. Camaro. So, 2.8. 2.8. What's it say? Multi-port. Some shit. Fuel injected. 2.8. 88 Camaro. 2.8. Fuel injected. Alright, so I'm about to get underneath this car. Get underneath this car and grab this shifter linkage here. I don't know if I can see it. Hell, I can't even see it. It goes through there. There. It shoots up that way towards the hole where I'll pull the thing through already. And yeah, I couldn't find no codes on it or nothing. The sticker's gone. Car's been repainted. Floor pan's pretty fucking clean. My buddy needs his floor too, but I don't know if we're gonna come get it right now. We might. I'm just waiting for another one, but then I turned around and I seen this too. 2001 Firebird. 3800 V6. The car's pretty clean. The bumper's sitting back there on the floor. Looking around and looking around, I didn't even realize the car was T-tops. There we go, same junkyard again. So I took the tail lights. I heard those go for a nice little chunk of change. There's the front bumper right there. But yeah, 2001 Firebird. Tore all this down already. Yeah, they took the backing plates already. If they didn't take the backing plates, that could have been easy grabbing this conversion right there. These pistons look pretty decent. These calipers look good. I don't know, I may come back for those. Let me grab those right now. Looking at those say Ford. So it definitely didn't come off of here. This is a V6 anyways. So I guess I'll look around, see if I can find these backing plates. But I doubt they're gonna be around here anywhere. Here's the inside of it. All the wheels are gone. But yeah. Alright, that's the end of this video, and go ahead and start grabbing this shifter cable out of this. And actually I might look at this hood, see what it looks like. Oh yeah. Nice looking hood. Alright. Who's checking out?